So what I'm going to do by this, I'm going to place it on, we're going to do some lines,
Yep.
get it all lined and dyed so we know roughly where your hairline's going to be.
Fantastic.
So we always aim for roughly 4 fingers.
That's right.
Just do a few dots just along that hairline, just so we know where we're going to place the system, where we can glue down to. Then as we fold it back, I always do just a couple of dots, only tiny ones, just so that we know when we roll it back, as long as those dots are roughly touching, we're going on straight and we're not going on an angle, alright?
So
all taped up.
All taped up.
And
Is
then
that ultra hold?
That's ultra hold tape, and then on the front we're going to do some ghost bond.
Right.
We have got Russell's on notes, I can't remember exactly which it is, but we will
ghost
look.
bond. Okay.
And then we're going to do adhesive at the front, tape at the back, because obviously his job is quite physical, so we like to let it breathe a little bit better without having a full head of glue or anything like that.
Because that's one of the things he's found, isn't it? Getting
Yeah.
dirty hairline and so forth.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to go for something a bit more easy for him to maintain with the haircut as well.
Cool.
So you can see it goes on white.
Goes clear, doesn't
Goes
it?
clear when it's not ready to put down. If you put it down when it's white, you're just going to ruin your system really quickly, because all you're going to do is push the glue up through the lace into the hair. The only way to get it out is to comb it out and then
Pulls the hair
pull
out.
all the hair out, yeah. So we're going to put that on, we're going to leave it dry till it goes clear, and then we're going to put another coat on. Next time we'll put the system on. Right then.
Head back.
Now you're alright, I'm a bit taller than some people, so I'm alright. Depends on the height of the person doing it, I think. Roll it back, get that first bit of tape on. Like that. And then we roll it back without tension, trying not to touch the tape as much as possible. Got to give it a little bit of tension just to get it to spread out a little bit, 'cause you don't want to get any big creases or anything. Actually fits perfect.
Lovely.
And then a bit of towel over the top, just so we can put some pressure on all the edges to make sure they all get nice and stuck down. Yeah, wet white, just so we can take those dots off now. Always take the dots off as quick as possible, because you tend to forget you've got them otherwise. A few people walk out with them before.
Yeah.
Especially when they have their hair cut forward, because you don't notice them at all.
Yeah.
Looking good. Like I say, Russ is going to wear his hair forward because the job he's got. He's worn it swept back his first system, and he got fed up of having to do the front hairline all the time, didn't
That's
you?
a bloody look,
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's going to have a forward look for this. Look at that. Looks like the boy next door. And if you want to wear it up, you can wear it up.
Yeah, give them a choice.
Look at that. But we're having it down.
Here we are having it down.
You're almost copying me and Troy now, aren't you? Right, Russ has just put a new mask on because he realised he came with his girlfriend's or wife's?
Girlfriends.
Girlfriend's, which had pretty little flowers on it. And because he's from London, he didn't want any of his mates to recognise him wearing flowers.
I thought it was pictures.
Now I told you I was going to take the piss. Right, do a spin round, mate. Do a spin round. That's it. There we go. And you've had a low skin fade, basically.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. So wearing the hair forward, so it's a lot easier for Russ at work. But we've seen in the video he can wear it back also. Well done, Russ.